Today is a great day that the Lord has made. Welcome back to my channel, Twisted African. Today we're going to be making the second part of the pancake that we made last time. So this is going to be real quick because we already know the process from the last time. So I already have my flour, my brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar this time around, and then powdered milk. I'm using powdered milk. So I have my water as well to be able to mix it well. I have my butter and 2 eggs in there, melted butter and 2 eggs in there. I have my oil for frying, and then we're going to be frying eggs as well, just to make it a complete breakfast. So I have my seasoning here as well. Let's just get right into it. So just going to be mixing that up. Okay, let's make it dancing here. Okay, just going to mix that up as well. Mix the butter and the eggs. Yeah. Okay. That's that. Pour that in. Okay. Just gonna add water. Do the water bit by bit. You want to get the right texture. If you don't do the water bit by bit and get the right texture that you're looking for, you're going to have to add more flour. So just bit by bit. And as it's thickening, then you keep on adding your water. Okay. So I have the right texture or consistency I'm looking for. Just that. Yeah. Just mix it well and make sure everything is, dissolved. Okay, so that's the texture we have now. That is it. Hopefully you can see it. I'm just gonna pour the rest of the water in there. Put it on the side. Pour my mixture in here. Just something for the base. Just a little. The smell is amazing. Very complete. So just turn it. The smell is just gorgeous, really. My pancake. Okay, I'm still going to reduce the heat a little. Okay, so see how it's looking like. Let's see. Just gonna put that on nice and neat. Move on to the second one. Since our pan is already hot. Okay. Sunday morning when the family is in the house, before you go to church, or you can go to church and come back and have this for you. Your night snack. It's your night snack. You're good to go with some movie, Okay, let's go ahead and fry our eggs. This will be your breakfast. Morning breakfast. Okay. Let's just put not too much salt or pepper because this is very cheeky. Oh. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave that comment. And hopefully I'll see you another time. Have a great day. Bye.